Angelica Joy Oliate, BSAB2 student from Partido State University. Today, I'll be demonstrating a vital skills in crop production, asexual propagation. We are going to perform a clip crop using two fascinating fruit crop commonly found here in our locality. I choose this because while they are different species, experimenting with hardy rootstock like guava is a great way to practice precision crafting. The guava rootstock was obtained from a healthy seedling in my backyard, and the rambutan scion was taken from a high-yielding mother tree nearby. English name rambutan guava, scientific name Nepalium lapasium, and Saigon guava, local name rambutan and bayabas. Before we begin, let's look our toolkit. Step 1. I'm cutting the guava rootstock horizontally, about 6 inches from the base. Now I'm cutting a careful vertical split down the center, about 2 to 3 cm deep. Step 2. For the rambutan scion, I am shaving both sides of the base to create a smooth, clean, ridge shape. Step 3. I will now insert the scion wedge into the rootstock clip. The most important part, ensuring the bark of the scion meets the bark of the rootstock so the cambion layer align. Step 4. I'm wrapping the onion tight with graphing tape starting from the bottom and moving up to seal it completely. As an agribusiness student, this skill is vital. In the real world, we don't just grow plants, we manage assets. Asexual propagation allows a nursery to produce thousands of identical, high-quality trees. And we're done! Thank you for watching. Let's continue to innovate and grow our agriculture sector. Until next time, goodbye!